Alright guys, I'm going to run this Peanuts here, run this for John. We're going to go live. We are live, 5:22 p.m. 5:22 p.m. Grab a list. Got 10 spots. Drop it in, 10 entries. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. We have a 10 that's high enough. We're going 10 times. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times. Dice shows a 10. Next click wins. Good luck. And 10. You're at spot 8. Scott, you are the winner. Get in touch with John and get the peanuts. We are done. 5:23. We will type done. We are done. 5:23 p.m. 5:23 p.m. Timestamp and verification.